welcome to the channel. Here, the windy day.
Amorph is preparing for the ride. Hello, welcome to the channel. Today, windy day. We have a powerful wind ahead us. I'm here with Luca and Andrei. Today it will be an easy day. Zone 2 ride. How are you guys? How are you, Andrei?
Good.
Very good?
Very nice. Yes.
How are you, Luca?
Power.
Easy ride with the boys today. Hope to have a good day because tomorrow is the hard day. So as you can see and hear, we have a powerful wind today. I don't know from where it started. Until we came here, everything looking good, but now the wind starts, very powerful wind. The boys are thrilled. Now it's in our back, the wind. We will see. See you later. One second break to take one banana from the car. In the woods here with the boys. Very nice ride until now. Almost 1 hour and 15 minutes with around 40 kilometers. Zone 2 ride today. How are you, boys? How are you, Luca, Andrei?
I'm very relaxed.
Today is chill day. Zone 2 day for the boys.
Smile.
We are on camera today. It is a nice view here in the forest.
Two cameramans meeting. It's a premiere. Empty roads, that's what we like. In the forest. Now have to move.
Very nice view here. Air condition right now. The wind stopped a little bit. Today, Friday, the weekend just started. Tomorrow it's a busy day. It will be a busy day. And Saturday we are going to Serata Monteoro again. We are making some climbs. And Luca, he has a race in Sunday, MTB race, first escape, it's the English name. See you later.
Boys are so fast. There she goes. Amorphis family. Here. He dead. Amorphis. Higher cadence. Speed faster. And Mathieu van der Poel's cousin from another dimension. Here. Setting the pace. Enjoy the ride. Nice, very nice. Pace here. High speed. Keep up. Very muscular. Very muscular. Okay. See you in a bit. Okay, so we reached the point where the road ends and we have to turn back now. Here there's a bridge. That's going to be built, and now we're heading home, back on the road. Beautiful weather. It's lunchtime, we had the snack, and we're back on the bikes. See ya.
In the forest?
Two cameramans meeting. It's a premiere. Empty roads, that's what we like. In the forest. Now I have to move.